There's a clinical benefit to patients being able to see out of the window onto green space and trees in particular. So in Ulrich did a controlled study where half of the ward could see out of the window and half couldn't, and the side that could see out of the window to green space got better a lot quicker. So if we're thinking about patients and their benefit to them, their own health, but also about the throughput through our hospitals, then it makes perfect sense to have nice environments around our hospitals.
The NHS Forest is a national programme about improving the green space on healthcare estates and providing a space for staff, patients and the local community to go out and use for rest, relaxation and exercise. We have over 125 sites throughout the UK, and so far we've planted 33,000 trees, and we have a range of sites from mental health trusts to GPs to big teaching hospitals. As you can see here, the University Hospital of Coventry has done a fantastic site engaging the local community and doing lots of planting.
I think it's an appreciation of all that the staff have done for all of us, really. I mean, we've lost some of our relatives through cancer, and also we've been treated for cancer, and the staff have been wonderful, really, and I think it's an appreciation of what they've done and in memory of our loved ones too. It's just a really nice, quiet place to just think about your life or your loved ones, whatever, really. It's just lovely.
This has cost this trust hardly anything because we funded it. We found funding streams to help us fund it, worked in partnership with different organisations. People have donated plants. Lots of companies donate their time, so lots of different companies we work with, our partner companies, send their staff out to work on the reserve and they spend their time planting trees that they've donated. So the actual cost to the trust is minimal. But it enhances the area, and also we've reduced our cost of landscaping. So this area is actually landscaped in a natural way, so the actual time spent by gardeners, etc., has been reduced dramatically. And there's lots of people who have got a much better well-being from being out here, either physically or mentally, from being involved in this project. And I think it has opened different avenues of thinking within the NHS.
I think for the patients this is a fantastic initiative because this space is regularly used by our patients, our staff and the local community. There's clear evidence now that exposure to green areas helps reduce blood pressure, it reduces stress by reducing muscle tension, and in fact it has shown clear outcomes, increased and better outcomes for rehabilitation programs, for example in substance misuse. So overall I think this is a fantastic initiative and it enables us to deliver one of our aims, which is to improve healthcare for the population of Coventry and Warwickshire at the doorstep. Even though we have 1,100 beds in this hospital, we are constantly outstretched in terms of the demand for healthcare, and programs like this would deliver the benefit to the community and reduce the incidence of patients attending hospitals. So actually it is the right thing to do.
All NHS estates can be part of the NHS Forest, and we hope they all will be. Each site is different and each has its own opportunities for creating a lovely space outside. So we want estates directors and managers to be involved in that, and we've got some very good examples of that having happened already. And we want clinicians to make the direct link between the green space and how they can use that for rehabilitation and recuperation and the patients, so that it becomes not just a lovely area for people to use on site, but actually a whole part of the healing process.